Hey guys, how is everyone going? Welcome to the Cardboy Cave. Here we've got Pokemon Scarlet and Violet 151 Ultra Premium Collection opening. And we've got an ETB here as well of Scarlet and Violet 151. So excited to open these up. Actually, this is my first time opening up a UPC. Very surprising, I know, but yeah, super excited. Let's get into it. Let's crack into this ETB first. I'm just gonna pop this over here. Now, I'm sure you've all seen an ETB open before, so I'm not going to harp on about it a bit or anything. Quickly show you what's inside, but the main thing we want to get to here is that Snorlax promo card and the packs, basically. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 booster packs here. Got your damage counters, your dice in there, a couple of dividers, energy cards. There's that Snorlax promo. Look at that. Got that hit straight there. Code card there, and some sleeves. Good as that. So we'll put those away. Promo card in there as well. Don't need this here. All we want to look at are these booster packs. Alright. Alright, let's see how we go today. Tangela, Grimer, Psyduck, Ekans, Kabuto, Gloom, Dugtrio, Rhyhorn, Rapidash, and an Arbok EX. Ooh, and that basic energy as well there. I've just had my morning coffee, that's why I may appear to be a little bit jittery this morning. See if we can relax a little bit. Tentacle, Rattata, Squirtle, Lickitung, Muck, Daisy's Help, Venomoth, Arcanine, Metapod, and Nidoking Hollow. Super keen for this UPC. Huge opening. Cannot wait to open it. Spearow, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Oddish, Rapidash, Nidorina, Eradicate, Bulbasaur, Grimer, and a Vileplume. Vileplume. Alright, we got a Venonat, Pidgey, Metapod, Ponyta, Rapidash, Nidorina, Eradicate, Abra, Jigglypuff, and a Machamp. And we got that Hollow Energy card again. I am counting those Hollow Energies as hits, even though you do get a fair few of those, so yeah. Mankey, Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, Erika's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Daisy's Help, Magneton, and an Aerodactyl. Hollow. Can't wait to start filling out my binder of 151. Gonna do a master set of this as well. Look forward to it. Poliwag, Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Shelder, Erika's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Zubat, Meowth, Moltres, Hollow. Alright. A few packs down. We've only got that one EX and a couple of Hollow Energies. Hopefully we get something big coming up here. Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Victreebel, Big Air Balloon, Primeape, Vulpix, Rhydon, Gyarados, Hollow. Alright, only a couple packs left. And then we'll kick into this UPC. Helix, Fossil, Slowpoke, Magma, Horsey, Victorville, Big Air Balloon, Primate, Pidgey, Krabby, and a Wiggly Tough EX. Very nice. Right, last booster pack. So I know the ETBs, they're a bit hit and miss, but for the price, I think you can get the ETBs for $80, so they're not too bad. Psyduck, Ekans, Fearow, Onyx, Dragonair, Kingler, Charmeleon, and a Dogdrio holo with a basic energy in the back there. Alright, that is it for that one. Let's move these off to the side. Couple of hits there. Whoop. Couple of EXs. Nothing too major there. Now, this is what I'm excited for. So let me get this one up a little bit here. Let's smash out this UPC. Oops. Alright. Seen a couple of these opened. I haven't seen too much of what's inside, but how nice does that look? Got a lot of packaging here. This big one here. That down there. Alright, okay. So this one opens up like this. Oh wow. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Look at that. Picture perfect right there. Got that Mew EX sitting up top there. And that is actually, well, let's see. So if we pull these out, you got the Mew EX. Now, how are you opening this up? I'm guessing you just... Oh, that's right, this is a gold card. Totally forgot, eh? Wow. Have a look at that. Something up the top there. It's a bit strange, isn't it? Almost looks like a drop of blood. Oh well. So we got the gold Mew EX card here. Metal version. Looks pretty good. The condition's actually not too bad, so we'll go ahead and we'll sleeve this one up. And wow, weighs a lot. Leave that one over there. Okay, we got a Mewtwo card here. So this one here, very dark in the background there. It's like a, as many people have said it, it reminds you of Batman looking down at Gotham City, I guess. Definitely there. You know what? I will open this one up. Let's get this out. I'm gonna have to put it in the binder anyway, so. Graceful, I know. So is that Mewtwo? Nice looking card. Sleeve that one up. And finally, got a Mew EX card here. Oh man, this is one of my favorites. Definitely. Get that out. Right. That one looks great. Looks so nice. Nice colours. Code card there. Leave this one up as well. Alright. So that's that one. What else have we got in here? Right. So you got what looks like damage counters, dice. Got a really nice coin here. Really nice pinkish Mew coin. That's cool. I like that. Got a, it's like a deck box. Let's see if we can get this open. It's like it's taped up. Feels like it's taped up. Nice. Got all the Pokemon on there. Nice colour. One divider in there. Reminds me of an Ultra Pro deck box, so pretty cool there. Nice colours. Seen them all before. Damage counters. Dice. Alright, let's see what we got next. Oh wow, this looks cool. This can be my new placemat. I don't actually have one. Or a good one anyway, so I'll just pop this over here. Don't know how big this is. Hopefully I've got enough room on this table to fit it here. Right. That's huge. Don't know if you can see that. That's actually huge. Let's get the 151 up here. All the Pokemon, purpley, pink, bluey color, I'm guessing. Wow. You have to lift that up. Yeah, that'll fit. Just gonna lift this up. Move this up. All right. I think we've only got the packs left. Sorry about the camera movement. All right. Now, should be 16 packs in here. So 8 and 8. It's a nice looking box. I like that. It's very premium. It's matte. All right. Oh, there we go. Let's get into these 16 booster packs. Now I paid, for this UPC, I paid about $230, or for my UPCs I should say, $230, pre-ordered from JB Hi-Fi, so do recommend, or if they've got any more in stock, to go with them. Alright, we've got a Tangela here, Tangela Art Rare. A Raichu, and yep. I think I might already have this card. That's good though. Good to start it with a hit. Electabuzz, Coughing, Tangela, Grimer, Hypno, Poliwrath, Pidgeot, Grabber, Ditto, Dogdrio. Alright, come on. Give me that Charizard. Secret rare. Or a God Pack, that'd be cool. Abra, Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Hypno, Poliwrath, Pidgeot, Primeape, Drowsy, Aerodactyl. Holo. Execute, Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Butterfree, Lapras, Cycling Road, Sandshrew, Magneton, and look out, 2 Pokemon 151 openings and 2 Blastoise EX full arts. Great card. Got it in my first opening of 151, but very excited to have this again. Yeah, very, very excited. How good is that? Who would have thought, hey? I do love Blastoise, so it's great. I'm happy, very happy. Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Dragonair, Seadra, Kabuto, Magikarp, Machoke, Omastar, and Basic Energy. Dratini, Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff, Omnimite, Tauros, Kadabra, Pidgeot, Growlithe, Ditto Holo. I like that Ditto Holo. It's a good card, that one. Nice design. I think I would have worked out the perfect way of opening up these booster packs, hey? Tauros, Kadabra, Persian, Meowth, Machamp, and another holo there. Energy holo. Alright, a few packs in. We only really got that Blastoise. Spearow, Rhyhorn, Magikarp, Oddish, Gloom, Dugtrio, Clefable, Machop, Kadabra, and a Dragonite holo. Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Golbat, Onix, Omnimite, Daisy's Help. Very nice. And a Basic Energy. Very good. I think this was one of the last cards that Pokerev needed, actually. Daisy's Help. So we've got that one. One up there. Zubat, Goldeen, Weeping Bell, Ghastly, Machoke, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Dugong, Articuno, and Mr. Mime. Ooh. Mr. Mime holo. I actually don't think I've gotten that yet, as I remember. Rhyhorn, Tangela, Coughing, Psyduck, Leftovers, Persian, Muck, Geodude, Ekans, and the Mew EX. And a Basic Energy there. Nice. Happy with that. Love the Mew EX. Staryu, Charmander, Spearow, Bellsprout, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Machoke, Muck, Tangela, Kabutops, and an Energy holo. I can tell right now this set's going to be a lot of work to get complete. Not a crazy lot of hits out of all these packs, but I think I was very lucky the first time. Or I need to buy more booster bundles, basically. Execute, Clefairy, Porygon, Machop, Tentacruel, Hitmonlee. We got something gold coming up. Wartortle, Graveler, and a switch. I've actually got this card already. Oh well. Beedrill, holo. Yay, we got a gold card though. How good? How good? Alright. Very nice. Any hit's a good hit. Paras, Voltorb, Krabby, Sandshrew, Seeking, Butterfree, Lapras, Raticate, Starmie, Jolteon holo. That's a nice holo there. Alright, we need something big out of these last two booster packs. We need something big. I'm telling you, something big. Come on, give us something. Ekans, Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Daisy's Help, Venomoth, Rapidash, Rhyhorn, Slowbro, Gengar holo. That's it for that one. And last booster pack here. Give us something good. Come on, let's do it. Something big. Let's do it. Magikarp, Oddish, Mankey, Meowth, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Seeking, Tentacool, Grimer, and another Mew EX to end it off. Well, you know what? Good hits. Not as good as my first opening, but let's have a look at some of these hits. At least we got these promo cards you can only get in the UPCs. So that gold metal Mew EX card. Mewtwo card there as well. And the Mew EX card. Secret rare there. And then we got a Mew EX. Switch, gold switch card, basic energy, another Mew EX, basic energy, Daisy's Help, basic energy, Blastoise EX there, Tangela there, basic energy, Wigglytuff EX, basic energy, and an Arbok EX. Alright. Thanks guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, subscribe, and tune in for next time for some more crazy openings. Cannot wait. Actually, yeah, so next time should be a few of those 151 boxes. So the ones, I think it's the Alakazam, Jolteon boxes? I think so, yeah. And yeah, can't wait for you to tune in for next time. Alright, catch yous later. See yous. Bye.